Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Gala token, guys. In this video I'm talking about the price prediction of Gala token. You can see here, guys, if you look the right now price situation of Gala token, so the right now situation is going negative in the market, guys. Negative 1% in the price of Gala token will decrease, guys. I mean the price dumps. The price of Gala token jumps. And furthermore, other side, if you talk about the changes, the right now price of Gala token to 0.1083 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Gala in the market, guys. Anyways, guys, if you are new in my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Gala token, guys. I will update you every hour, every day about a Gala token, about a cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, guys, now if we study the price chart of a Gala token, so that is the last one day price chart, and from this chart you can see here today, that is the last 24 hours price chart. You can see here very badly the price dumps, but in the latest situation you can see here, I'm talking about that now they start jumping, so possibilities that they continue this jump for a long time. My prediction from Gala token in right now situation is positive. That's why I'm feeling positive. You can see here today very barely the price dumps, but in the latest situation you can see here the price changes is positive more. You can see here the green. Now a lot of possibilities are going positive, guys. So anyways, what you think about Gala token prediction? What is your opinion? I think, guys, that the huge pump is coming soon. Huge pump of Gala token is coming soon. Alert, alert, alert. Hope you like this update video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Don't decide to sell, guys, just hold for a long time.